Hey guys, it's Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh. Today we have some really cool content. We have this beautiful BMW M3 here with us today. Although it's a really beautiful car with a really nice black paint color, unfortunately, this is a really good example of what your car can look like if it has been neglected. Now, the owner of this car, I wouldn't mention who, is actually collectible. He collects all these cars from auctions. This car has actually been in an accident before. And what they've done is they've rebuilt the car so that the front bumper obviously is looking normal again. But there's a lot of parts on the car that is looking quite neglected, as I said, the word neglected. Because as you can see, there's a lot of holograms, a lot of scratches, swirl marks. There's a lot of really weird big stains on the hood of the car. Even on the top of the roof where it's actually a carbon fiber finish, which is a really beautiful piece of art that you can see on the car. Yeah, it has this really weird stain on it. There's watermarks, random watermarks. I don't even know if it's actually a watermark or grease from somewhere. It just looks like it's been abandoned in the shed, probably after the crash and not being looked after for a very, very long time. And we could definitely tell that there's no sort of sealant or protection on the paint, and that's why these sort of contamination has already eaten onto the paint. Now, we've talked about black paints before. Black paint is like a mirror. It reflects everything. You can't hide anything from a black paint. And that's exactly what you can see here. When you walk around the car, you'll be able to see every single thing. Now, what are we gonna do today? What we're gonna do is we're gonna make this car looking great again. What we're gonna do is create a content for you so that you can see the process from it looking like this to something much, much better, much, much more, I guess, desirable. Much, much more desirable. Let's get to that right now. Alright guys, so now we have the car all paint corrected, and what Henry and Jeff is doing right now is they are doing the paint protection. They're putting on the ceramic coating on the car. The actual car looks quite well finished actually. It came in looking awful, disgusting, undesirable, and I'm starting to like the car more and more. Although when we're actually doing the decontamination stage, we saw more of overspray from another paint. It was a white paint on a black car, so obviously it was overspray. There's compound marks on random places. I think whatever happened during the auction, they tried to polish out some marks and they didn't tape it up properly. So we've managed to fix most of all that. And that's exactly what we do. This project was to restore an old, undesirable crash car into a car that looks a lot more desirable now. It looks like it can go on market right now for sale, and increasing the value of the car, which is awesome. And that's what we do at Just Keep It Fresh. Remember, we don't just focus on brand new cars. I don't know why people call themselves a new vehicle paint protection company. I don't know if there's such, why do you only do new cars? Well, if it's an old car, do you not do that? Is it too difficult for you guys? This car came in old. Now it's looking brand new again. We're not a new car protection company. We are an all cars paint protection company. If you want to come in to restore your car, we are the experts. Come to us. And remember guys, just keep it fresh.